The mean distance of Mars from Sun is 1.5 times that of the Earth from Sun. What is approximately the number of years required by Mars to make one revolution about the Sun? In this problem, we find number of years, that is Tm, time of revolution of Mars around the Sun. T is time of revolution of Earth around the Sun, that is 1 year. Rm is equal to 1.5 Re. According to Kepler's third law, T square varies R cube, that is T varies R raised to 3 by 2. Now we write equation Tm upon Te is equal to Rm upon Re raised to 3 by 2. Tm upon 1 is equal to 1.5 Re upon Re raised to 3 by 2. Power 3 by 2, that is 1 and 1 half, that is next step 1.5 into square root 1.5. Now we find a square root of 1.5. Take 1 0 and 150 is the nearest square of 12 is 144. 1.5 into 1.2, that is 15 into 2 is 30, 15 and 3 18, that is we meet our answer 1.84 years. If you solve complete example, then 12 plus 12 is 24 and 150 minus 144 is 6. Take the point from 2 from point. Taking 2 the next number meet 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Take again 2 0. We again get the next number is 4. 15 into 4 60. 15 into 2 30. 30 plus 6 36. 15 into 2 30 plus 3 is 33. Now we made approximate value 1.84 years.